Deliberations continued for a third day in the Carlos Dominguez trial. The former UC Davis student faces 2 murder charges and an attempted murder charge. He has pled not guilty by reason of insanity. The defense and the prosecution say intent is the main deciding factor in this case. And keep in mind, there was no verdict today.
ABC 10 talked with a criminal defense attorney who's been tracking this case closely and says the length of time could reflect just how complex the jury's task is. Mark Reichel tells ABC 10 jurors must decide for each charge, was the act committed? Then they must consider his mental state. Separately, if he was legally sane when they occurred.
The prosecution was very, very compelling. The defense did a tremendous job explaining that, look, no matter what the body was doing for this person on trial, it was the mind that was controlling it, and it was a completely defective mind.
If he's convicted of murder, jurors would then hear from mental health experts in a second phase to decide if Dominguez was sane. A verdict of not guilty by reason of insanity could mean years in a secure mental facility. Immigration also looms over this case. Dominguez's father says he was brought to the U.S. illegally as a child. ICE issued a detainer back in 2023, which means if he's ever released, federal authorities plan to take him into custody for potential deportation.